In this video, we're going to show you how to pair your phone clip to your cell phone and to your hearing aids. So the first thing that you're going to do when you open your box is see your power cord. You'll take your power cord and plug it in, and then plug it into the base of your phone clip to get it charged. Then you'll want to start with the hearing aids in the off position. That's with your rechargeable hearing aids in the charger or your battery-based hearing aids with the battery doors open. Next, we want to turn our phone clip on. So if you'll turn it to the side, you'll push that button down until you see a white dot. That means your phone clip is on and you'll see a green light flashing. Next, you're going to want to remove the base of the phone clip. So gently pull down, turn the phone clip around, and you will see two buttons that you can press. The first one is the Bluetooth button that is blue. The second is the white streaming button. So to get started, what we're going to do is we're going to pair it to our phone first. So what we'll do is go to the settings of your phone, go to Bluetooth connections. Your phone will begin to search for Bluetooth devices. Then take your phone clip and press the blue Bluetooth button on the back. A blue light will begin to blink on the phone clip. The phone will begin to search for the phone clip. The phone clip will pop up, we'll select it, and wait for the pairing to complete. Once the pairing has completed, you'll see connected on your phone, and the flashing blue light will go away on your phone clip. Next, we want to pair our phone clip to the hearing aids. So while they're still in the off position, we're going to pick up that phone clip again, and this time we're going to click the white sync button. An amber light will begin to appear once you have pressed the white button, and that is now in streaming mode to connect to your hearing aids. So remove your hearing aids from the charger, or if they're battery based, you're going to want to go ahead and close those battery doors. Once the pairing is complete, that amber light will now flash a green light, and that lets you know that that pairing is complete. You then want to add the base back to your phone clip, and you have now successfully paired your phone clip to your hearing aids and phone.